Ready? Start. Followed by warm up and stretches. Today is lower body and the stretches and the warm up should be done properly. Of course, for everything it is a mandatory. There is no excuse for not doing warm up. You will end up only injuring yourself. Let's get started. First step, we'll go with a double step. Alright, now this can be converted to little gallop now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So whatever option is suitable for your knees and your weight, you can go for it. Now we'll add squat to this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, hold, squat, touch the floor. 1, 2, 3, squat, touch the floor. 1, 2, 3. You don't have to bend so much if you have back pain. You can just go for a regular squat. We will show you and just squat. That's it. How low you want to go down is your option. You can choose whatever is suitable to you. You don't have to blindly follow us. Listen to your body. That's it. Continue doing it for a minute or until your heart rate elevates. Continue doing it. Is your heart rate elevated?
Yes.
Yes, Pranya, heart rate is elevated. Let's stop in the middle. Shake your legs. Let the heart rate come down before we go for the toning of the outer thigh. Or let's stand in a comfortable position. Take the hands to the ceiling and we will lift the right leg up for 3 slowly. 1, 2, 3 and bring it down. Other side. 1, 2, 3 and bring it down. Continue doing it. This because that we are breaking because we want to control the movement, control your power of standing on one leg and giving and allowing the muscle enough time to contract. So that proper toning is happening. Continue doing it for 10 reps. If you want, you can hold a chair for support or a wall for support, no problem. Our focus is now toning on the outer thigh. Excellent. Now get ready to hold that leg flat. Lift up as much as you can and hold so that we can work on your hamstring muscles and curl the leg up there. Curl it without pushing your knee forward. Excellent. Continue doing it for 10 reps. Slowly, not at too fast because remember we are toning here. Squeeze. Allow the muscle enough time to hold in a contract position. Contract, extend. Continue the other side. Lift and hold. Use your core muscle power to hold the position and curl slowly. Strengthening your hamstring muscle. Now we will go with a little faster movements. We will go with take your legs and a little wider. Now we go with single curl and double curl. We go slowly fast, single, now double it. There you go. Single and double it. One more time, go slowly. That's single and make it 2 times. Excellent. Now again single and now let's increase the speed. Single and double as fast as you can. Increase your heart rate. If you're confused, no problem. Just go with the single curls, no problem. Continue doing it faster. Let's go for 1 minute drill. Alright, gently stop, shake your legs. Now we will get ready with the other step. We'll bring the knee up and cross it back. Let's go slowly. Bring your knee up, cross back. Again bring the knee up and step down. Again the other side. Knee up, cross, knee up, down. One more time. Knee up, cross, knee up, down. Knee up, cross. Now increase the speed. Up, cross, up, down. Up, cross, up, down. Up, cross, up, down. Up, cross. Few more seconds. Very good. Your body is listening to it. Your mind has to cooperate. Continue doing it. Enjoy the lift. Feel the fat burning and love yourself. Come on, few more seconds. Alright, now let's go for the next step now. On the spot, we will go with 4 niyas with the same leg. Continue doing it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3 and you go. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2. Few more seconds. Continue doing it for about 1 minute or until your heart rate is elevated. Continue doing it. We are continuously doing cardio steps. We will continue doing for a few more minutes. Last few seconds. Now get ready to hold the knee up. Alright, we will not hold for too long. Change. When the heart is pumping, it is not easy to hold in this position. So don't hold it for long. Change. We'll play with this until you feel comfortable and then you are ready to hold it for longer time. Until that, keep changing. You don't have to push yourself or punish yourself. Just check yourself. Am I ready to hold? Am I ready to hold? No, I am not. Then keep changing. Keep changing. When you feel yes, I am ready to hold it for about 10 seconds to 15 seconds. We will wait until you are ready. Are you ready now? Okay, hold it for a few seconds and now from here, strengthening your quad muscles, extend your leg forward, contracting your quads and release it. Do slowly, about 10 times. Focus on breath work. Don't hold your breath at any point of time. If you can't just extend and do, you can gently touch the floor. There is no problem. But you have to lift your knee up, extend and bring it down. So continue doing it. The best is hold a chair or a wall for support. Now repeat the same on the other side. Hold it for a few seconds. You can shake the legs. Yes. Hold it for a few seconds. Lift your knee up completely. Imagine balancing a cup of hot coffee. Well, don't spill the coffee. Hold it. And there you go. Now extend nicely with inhale, exhale. Pump your muscle with oxygen. Focus on breath work. Excellent. Keep going the same number of reps that you have done on the other side. And relax. Shake your legs. Now let's again increase our heart rate. We will circle with one leg and leg lift with the other side. So circle and lift with the other side. Excellent. Just draw a big circle on the floor with your toes and lift on the other side. There you go. As big as you can yours. Make a big circle. Draw a big circle. Excellent. Enjoy yourself. Love it. And then you are ready. We will do on the other side. There you go. The same number. Alright, stop and shake your legs. Now both feet together, slightly bend your knees and lift your right leg sideways and hold for a few seconds. And now slightly pump up about 1 to 2 inches Squeezing your outer thigh. There you go. About 10 to 20 reps, up to you. When you feel I got it, then you can continue doing on the other side. Slightly bend so that the other leg is not feeling heavy. Focus on breath work. Alright, shake the legs. Let's get ready with the knee treated in the jogging pose. We'll show you how. We will step forward, slightly bend from the hips, not from the waist, and bring the back leg 3 times up. 1, 2, 3 and back. There you go. Now step forward and bring up 3 times, squeezing your lower abs and pump your arms as if you are in jogging and go with the speed. And you go. About 30 seconds, continue doing it. Last 10 seconds. Last one. And shake your legs for 5 seconds before going on to the other side. And let's not waste too much time. Let's go on the other side. Last 15 seconds to go. Five seconds. Last one. And relax. Shake your legs. Now get into wider stance. Legs as wide as you're comfortable. Toes pointing sideways. Push your hips down and get into inner leg squat. Hands in front of